It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphic Sound here. My name is Rocky Yaku, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to send a high quality video on WhatsApp without losing the quality of the video. So let's. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to send high quality videos on WhatsApp without losing the quality of the video. Alright, so I'm going to head over to my WhatsApp right here. So I'm going to make use of this WhatsApp business. You can use any WhatsApp to get it done. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to get a video file. Then I'll make sure I click on gallery. So I'm going to use this particular video right here. So I'm going to click on this video. Then having selected the video, I'll make sure I click on HD at the top right here. Then I'll make sure I click on this second HD right here. Then choose high quality. So video set to high quality. It's as simple as that. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on send right here. So you have the video sent as HD right here. So check it out. So this is how to send higher resolution video to WhatsApp without losing the quality of the video. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.